Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Black & Decker Screwdriver Bit Set 109. The Black & Decker Screwdriver Bit Set or Drill Bit Set is a 109-piece set that has everything you need for a variety of projects around the house. The set includes an assortment of screwdriver bits, drill bits, and nut drivers, all organized in a handy carrying case. The bits are made of high-quality steel and are designed for long-lasting use. The set also comes with a versatile magnetic drive guide that makes it easy to change out bits. The Black & Decker Screwdriver Bit Set or Drill Bit Set because it is such a comprehensive set that is perfect for both DIYers and professionals. The kit includes a range of 1 inch and 2 inches screwdriver bit tips and the most common drill bit sizes in a durable project case with plastic latch closure and extra storage. The included bits are ideal for wood, metal, plastic, and masonry projects and are the ideal sizes for frequent use projects and installation. Includes a variety of the most common drill bit sizes for frequent use. Our second best precision screwdriver set is DeWalt DW2166 Screwdriver Bit Set. The DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set with Tough Case, 45-piece, is one of the most popular screwdriver sets on the market, and for a good reason. The set includes an impressive selection of bits, all of which are made from high-quality materials. The case is also tough and durable, able to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Perhaps best of all, the set is priced very competitively, making it a great value for the money. With so much to offer, it's no wonder that the DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set with Tough Case, 45-piece, is such a popular choice. Connectable accessory storage system to optimize storage space of the drill bit set. Patented bit bar design of DeWalt bit set allows easy removal of bits and customizable placement. Clear lid of the driver bit set allows you to easily see contents at glance. Clip latch for secure closing. Third pick in our list is Kaisi Precision Screwdriver Set. The Kaisi 126-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive set that has everything you need for electronic repairs. The 111 bits are made of high-quality S2 steel and are properly hardened. They are also magnetic, making it easy to keep track of small screws. The set also comes with an extension rod and a flexible shaft, which makes it easy to reach tight spaces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the case is durable and well organized. Customers love the fact that this set is everything they need for most electronic repairs. They also appreciate the high quality of the bits and the fact that they are magnetic. Kaisi 126-in-1 Small Screwdriver Set with Case is a professional repair tools kit for computer, PC, laptop, MacBook, iMac, tablet, iPad, iPhone, game consoles, PS4, Xbox controller, watches, glasses, camera and other electronics. Whatever you are a professional or amateur in the IT world, you can easily use this electronics toolkit to repair phones, computers and laptops. This helpful repair kit is also as a cool and decent gift for your friends, father, husband, son, etc. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Amartisan Magnetic Screwdriver Set. The Amartisan 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set is a versatile and durable set of screwdrivers that is perfect for a variety of tasks. The set includes 5 Phillips screwdrivers and 5 flathead screwdrivers, all of which are made from high-quality steel. The handles are comfortable to grip, and the tips are magnetized, making it easy to remove screws. The set also comes with a handy storage case, so you can keep all of the screwdrivers organized and in one place. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the non-slip surface means that you won't have to worry about your hand slipping while you're working. Best of all, the set comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that you're making a wise investment. With so many features, it's no wonder that customers love Artisan's 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set. Top quality magnetic screwdriver set, 10 professional-grade screwdrivers that are designed to serve a multitude of uses. Premium materials, the screwdriver bar is made of chromium vanadium steel for durable. Cushion grip handle for comfort and control, with ergonomic TPR handle, it helps you to use very easily. Number 5 in our top 5 best precision screwdriver set list is Horasty magnetic screwdriver set. The Horasty 101-piece magnetic screwdriver set with plastic racking is a must-have for any home handyman or woman. The set comes with an impressive 101 pieces, including a variety of screwdrivers, bits, and sockets. The ergonomic design ensures that you can use the tools comfortably for long periods of time, and the magnetic heads make it easy to keep track of small screws and nails. The plastic racking system is also extremely helpful, as it keeps all of the pieces organized and within reach. Customers love the Horasty 101-piece magnetic screwdriver set because it is so comprehensive and easy to use. The reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many customers saying that this is the best screwdriver set they have ever owned. If you are in need of a good screwdriver set, look no further than the Horasty 101-piece magnetic screwdriver set with plastic racking. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.